Guys, we'll make some cards. In here is my naked. She gonna be not open, but she have opened it here like that. Here, open that. Do you see like that? And then now we will open it. That. And then you saw it there. Okay, let's make more one. Okay, first on paper. Paper. Check. It's one. Did we get some more? We'll get one. So let's mark and then we show it that. And we show like that. That and like that. Okay, we need some glue. Okay, wait a minute. Yes. That open
Ikuan maguna kung taas o ang timbang. Tama rin ang timbang sa iyang kabuo.
my heart is open. It sure can you do. Okay. Okay, we are not good this. Okay, with paper. Okay guys, I need paper, like a little bit. And then we try with that. Guys, you will do next day, okay? You will next day, okay? Bye. Here is the next day, guys. Today, here's my makeup. I have it smells so good. I have two. Okay, bye bye. From who will make it? I from Nikki. Bye bye.